Good morning, children. So we have completed up to angles definition, no? Now open your textbooks, page number 120, exercise 8.4. First lesson C. Measure all the angles in the above figures. See the exercise 8.4. You have to measure all the angles. Okay. So all of you take your protractor. Do you know how to measure? Yes. Take your protractor. Keep it here. So here this is the center point. Okay. So keep it here center point or P. Now measure what is the angle. How much it is? So this side you get measure. So you have to take the lower scale. What is that angle? 68. 68. So like this given, and this is N, this is P, this is Q given. So you have to keep it here protractor like this. Okay, you have to measure this angle. You have to take it lower scale. So how much will get here? 68 degrees. 68 degrees. Okay. Now this side. Measure this side. So what is the angle here? Now you have to watch it upper scale. How much it will get? 112. 112 degrees will get. 112 degrees. Okay. Now at Q. At Q, find it. It will get how much? 65 degrees will get. 65 degrees. And next this side. 115 degrees. 115 degrees will get. Okay. Now reverse the book and again measure here. Reverse the book and measure. How much it is? $68. This is 68. And next side, what will get? 112. Here it is 68. Here it is 112. Like this, here also it is 65. Here 150 degrees will get. Okay. Now second picture, like this given. This is L, M, P, A, B. Now take your protractor, keep it on A. Center point, keep it on A. The line should be coincide with baseline and your picture also. So now what is that angle? 68 degrees. 68 degrees. And this side? What is that angle we'll get? I think it is 70 degrees, not 68. And this side, how much we'll get? 110 degrees. Yes, 110 degrees. Okay, like that, keep it on B. Keep it on B. What will get here? Yes, exactly it is 60 degrees. And next other side 120 degrees. Okay, now reverse the book and measure the angles. Reverse the book and measure the angle. What will get here? 70 degrees. Here it will get 70 degrees. Here 110 degrees. Here also 60 degrees. Here 120 degrees. Okay. So you can add these two angles, will get 180 degrees. You can add these two angles, 180 degrees. You can add these two angles also 180 degrees. Like that here also 120 plus 60, 180. These two angles you can add 180 degrees. These two angles you can add 180 degrees. So what is the second answer is sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So you know adjacent angles means what? Adjacent angle means having common arm. Having common arm means adjacent angle. So this is the common arm for these two angles. You can add these two angles 180 degrees. Like that here also this is the common arm for these two angles. You can add these two angles will get 180 degrees. Okay. So sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. You can write in your textbook on here. Second answer. Sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Okay, now see the third question. In the given figure, measure angle FOG and draw the same in your notebook. So first, you have to take protractor. Okay, now keep this protractor at O in your textbook. Keep it at O. What is the angle will come? Yes, it is 35 degrees. What is the angle? 35 degrees will get. Okay. So you should write here angle 35. 35 degrees right here. Now you have to draw the same in your notebook. They ask, no? First take your pencil, scale and pencil. Draw one line or ray. Okay. Right here O, G. Draw a ray with scale O, G. Now take your protractor. Take your protractor. Keep it on O. Keep it on O. 35 degrees will get no in your textbook. So 35 degrees, where you should take here or this side? Yes, the line will be extended this side. So you should take inner scale. Inner scale 35 degrees. So I will get here 35 degrees. Okay. 30 after 5 lines. Now keep the dot there and take the scale. Draw a ray. You can draw a ray like this. Okay. So here you have to keep the point F. So how much it is? 35 degrees. Draw in your notebook. Now, see the fourth question. In the given figure, measure the angles, angle AOB, angle BOC. Okay. So here, picture is given. First, you should find the angles. Take your protractor, keep it here at O in your textbook. At O, keep it here. So what is the angle here? Total it is 116 degrees. Total 116 degrees. And keep it here at O. What is the angle of AOC? It will get 45 degrees. Exactly it is 45 degrees. Again one second. Angle AOC. Exactly it is 44 degrees. It is 44 degrees. And next, what is the angle BOC? Like this you have to keep it, BOC. At C you have to keep the baseline. Now, how many degrees it is? 71. 72 degrees will get. 72 degrees will get. Okay. Now, here you have to find first angle AOB. Angle AOB. Here first what you should write? Given angle AOC. How much? Angle AOC 44 degrees. And next angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 72 degrees. Now you have to find angle AOB. Angle AOB. Angle AOB. That means you should add these two angles will get full angle. So angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to how much? AOC 44 degrees. Angle BOC how much? 72 degrees. 44 plus 72 how much? 6. 116 degrees. Angle AOB total how much? 116 degrees. Next angle what you should find? Angle BOC. Angle BOC. How much? 72 degrees. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 72 degrees. Okay, children? Come on, right. Now, see the fifth question. Write some acute, obtuse, and reflexive angles, at least 2 for each. So here you have to write acute, obtuse, and reflexive angles. You have to write at least 2 for each. You already know what is acute angle. Yes, it is in between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Okay, and obtuse angle between 90 degrees to 180 degrees, and reflexive angle between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. So at least 2 angles you should write. Right here, acute angle. Acute angle between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Acute angle between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So you can write any 2 angles. That means you should write 1 degree, 72 degrees, so on up to 89 degrees. Okay. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay, you can write 91 degrees, 92 degrees, so on up to 179 degrees. Okay, any as you wish. Next, reflexive angle. Reflexive angle between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. That means you should write 181 degrees, 182 degrees, so on up to 359 degrees. Okay, children, did you understand? Right.